Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I decided to go back to the corner takeout today. And this is what's going to be jumping in my pot. Sesame beef. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients: white pepper, rice vinegar, Chinese wine, oyster sauce, soy sauce, sesame seeds, sesame oil, brown sugar, cornstarch, baking soda, chopped garlic, scallions diced, and of course, the beef. Now we're going to do the first step, the marinade. I have the beef here, and we're going to add the baking soda, the Chinese wine, the sesame oil, the oyster sauce, the cornstarch. Then we're going to add some hot water. Then we're going to mix all of this up together. Then we're going to set this to the side and let it marinate. Now we're going to make the sauce while the beef is being marinated in the refrigerator. Now, I'm going to add brown sugar, white pepper, soy sauce, the rice wine, the oyster sauce, the sesame oil. You don't want to add too much sesame oil because it has a strong flavor. Then we're going to add some hot water. Stir this up. And we're going to put this to the side. Now, this is the next step we're going to do. I have a wok here, and I'm going to use this wok to toast the sesame seed.
It won't be sesame beef without sesame seeds. So
you got to keep this moving, the sesame seeds moving in the wok so it don't burn up.
I noticed this dish is slightly similar to sesame chicken, but not exactly the same. Some of the ingredients are a little bit different. But you know what? I never really had this before. I never tried it in a Chinese restaurant. I always go for sesame chicken or general soy chicken. And that's the typical dish everyone would get if they go to Americanized Chinese restaurants.
Now it's toasted enough, and this is what we do now. We're going to take it out and put it in this dish here. Then we're going to add cornstarch to it. And mix this up. Now I'm going to add some oil to the wok. And we're going to turn it on. Now, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to take the marinated beef, and we're going to add it to the cornstarch and the toasted sesame.
Oh,
seeds.
Wasn't expecting that. That's different. Kind of like cooking fried chicken or chicken to get ready to fry. Similar. This definitely would classify as a quick weeknight dish, but not exactly a budget dish, right?
Yeah, it's not because the beef is expensive. I'm using pepper steak. You can either use pepper steak.
Flank steak, right?
Yeah.
Or even shaved ribeye.
Yes.
Just as a reminder, everybody, please like, subscribe, share, comment. We need to get in the algorithm. So please definitely do those things. And for the ingredients for this dish, look in the description box below. That's coming along pretty good. I see the concept of why it was done this way.
It's supposed to be crispy.
Yeah, I get it now. That makes sense.
So now I'm going to take them out. I added some oil to the wok, some fresh oil. Now we're going to add the garlic, the minced garlic. We're going to let this cook about 30 seconds.
So you're adding back in the meat and the sauce next, right?
Yes. Now we're going to add the sauce in. We're going to let the sauce thicken up and cook for about 2 minutes.
I see it bubbling up.
Yes, now we're going to add the scallions in. This for 30 seconds. Now we're going to add the beef back into the pan. Then we're going to make sure we coat every piece of the beef with the sauce.
It's coming together pretty well in the wok. Looking like a real corner takeout now, look just like the Chinese takeout.
It looks like it's time to serve up now. There you have it, sesame beef from the corner takeout. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, X, and Facebook. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye. Hit that like button.